going to lean into this whole coronavirus thing because there's a lot of people right now, they're unemployed. There's a lot of people being laid off. And there's a lot of people that are uncertain about what life is bringing them, right? So they don't know if they're ever going back to work. They don't know. I mean, think about this, right? Uber drivers, people that are, taxi drivers, bars, waiters, waitresses, bar owners, anywhere there's a lot of people, you guys are getting slammed. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. And with this whole thing going on, there is no better time, mark my words, and you'll go back to this video years from now, there is no better time than right now to educate yourself. You have the time. Spend the time and educate yourself. Does anybody know what the best investment in the world is? The best investment in the world is what? Self-education. Reason why? If you've been looking at the stock market, stocks, bonds, annuities, right now, it is getting hammered on the stock exchange and Dow. Hammered. So we got a lot of people pulling back. A lot of people are losing money and they're frightened. They don't know where their money's going to be. That's why I always say don't put the money in that. Put it in real estate where people have to live. People have to have a place to live, right? So real estate is always going to be my first choice. But I understand there's a lot of people that have SEFs and IRAs and 401s and different vehicles they have their money in. They don't know what to do with it, right? And right now, you guys know it's being hammered. So stick in there. Stick in there. Understand that you're a human being and you are your soul cannot be taken from this, okay? Just like everything else, SARS and all the other things that have been out there, this is not going to take over your body and your soul, okay? Cannot. So this too shall pass. It will pass, okay? Just keep your hands clean and keep away from a lot of people and just don't touch your face and all this other stuff. Try to be cognizant about what you're touching. And then just, I carry around this little thing of hand sanitizer. That's the best way to do it. But right now it is rampant out there. They got people where, you can't even be in a room of 50 people anymore. Now it's down to 10. So, I mean, they're really taking this to the next level. By the way, if you guys didn't like Trump at all before, he's doing $1 trillion, and I don't know if this is going to fix your thoughts or not, but $1 trillion, basically a severance, being a stimulus package. We're talking about $1 trillion. So every household in America, and they're doing the thing for small business, but every household, they're getting $1,000. I don't know if that'll change your opinion of, but think about the things that he's doing right now that, is going to potentially benefit a lot of the small businesses that are getting destroyed right now because they're just, people aren't going in places right this second, right? We don't know how long it's going to last. Maybe it's a week, maybe it's 2 weeks, maybe it's 3 months. But, it would be nice to get a check for $1,000 from the government. So that being said, if you woke up with a credit score tomorrow, you get up, you check you're like, I got an 800 credit score. And I don't mean just an 800 credit score because I can put, one trade line on and see an 800. I mean a strong 800 credit score where you've got a bunch of accounts that are open, bunch of primary accounts, maybe some good AUs on there. You've got some history on there. Put in comments for me what you would do tomorrow if you woke up and you had an 800 credit score. What would be the absolute first thing you would do? Put that in comments for me so I can see where your dreams are, okay? So I say that to tell you, I need to see on a scale from 1 to 10 how important this is to you. How important is it for you to protect yourself and your family in the time of this? Think about this for a second, guys. If you could educate yourself, if you had the tools, if you had the actual tools to be able to look at your credit report and go, you know what? I don't want this negative on here anymore. I don't want these inquiries on anymore. I don't want this on my credit report. I see this is not me. I was a victim of identity theft. I was whatever. And it could be removed, okay? Because negative information can be removed very easily. If you had those tools, and I showed you exactly how to do that, why have you not taken advantage of this yet? I'm giving you everything that I've done for the last 7 years and saying, here. And by the way, here's a video for you inside my platform for you to watch where I literally show you step by step how to do this. I'm going to leave you guys with something here. What I want you to do, because I was going to bring some real easy, people are like, man, just give me something easy. going to put a link in here. What I want you guys to do is the first thing you need to do. This is the absolute first thing. I don't want to give you too much content because then you're like, this is a lot. I need you to sign up for a 3 bureau credit report. That is the absolute first thing you need to do. And then tomorrow, I'll bring you step 2 and 3. Okay, and then that's it. There should be only 3 steps. Okay, but the first step is I need you to sign up for a 3 bureau credit report. Not Credit Karma, not one of these, Wise through Capital One or one of these credit card things that give you your score. No. I mean, I need a 3 bureau credit report. And the reason you're going to have that is because once you get it, you're going to print it into papers. That is the first homework assignment I have for you. Get it into papers, hard copy papers, and then tomorrow I'll give you step 2 and 3 of what you need to do. I'm going to make this so simple for you guys that, like I said yesterday, a child can do this. Okay, but again, you have to have the education to know what you're doing. If you guys can't sign up for a 3 bureau credit report, then you're just going to stay to 500. You know what I mean? Like if it's not that big of a deal to you, then stay to 500. Pay 3 times more for a car. Never get into the home you want to get into. That the whole thing about I want a high limit credit card, and that whole thing about I would love to have new equipment or furniture, or just love to be able to get a loan. I'd love to be able to consolidate my credit card. All that goes out the window. Okay, so if you woke up with an 800 credit score tomorrow, what would the first thing you'd be doing? That's what I want in comments right now. Okay, now what I'm telling you right now is everything that's in my platform. I've already put together everything for you, step 1 all the way through, and step by step like this. Where to go for credit cards, how to get a line of credit, how to get better interest rates, where to go for consolidation loans, how to get your credit cards into one loan, what to do as far as getting a home, what are the best techniques and tactics to actually getting a down payment that's 0 with no insurance payment. I mean, I've got all kinds of stuff in there for you. How to get free authorized users and not have to pay for them. What are the exact blueprint proprietary things that we've done for the last 7 years? They're inside this. I mean, it's everything. I mean, it is everything from A to Z to get you guys up. And my goal is to change the national average. And I want to be able to help thousands and thousands and thousands of families in the next couple weeks. When I say couple weeks, because I'm going for billions, okay? Change the way you think about credit. If you just understood, I'm telling you, to take the time you have right now to educate yourself, because the best investment right now, I'm going to tell you, is in yourself. Nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can take the self-education away from you. So instead of sitting home and doing homework with kids, I understand you got to do that. And instead of playing video games and Fortnite and watching Ellen DeGeneres at 4 o'clock and watching soap operas and Dancing with the Stars, I think maybe it would be a good idea to take my platform and review it and watch the videos and do exactly what you need to do, so that way when you have your 800 credit score, you can actually do the things that you're going to put in comments for me. Because if you had an 800 credit score, you would know what to do. You would know what credit cards to go to. You would know how to leverage it. But if you're not an 800 yet, then you need to know what exactly you need to do to get there. And I'm going to show you, okay? I'm going to show you guys. In fact, here's what I'm going to do. Because of what's going on, if you call in today, I'm going to give you free access to show you exactly what you're going to learn in this program. Free access. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to learn in this program if you give us a call today, okay? 904-420-7772, okay? My guys will be out there. I'm going to let them know. I'm going to walk out there a minute, let them know, to show you guys what you'll be learning in this program that I put together for you. You got to see a sneak peek of this. So give us a call at 904-420-7772. I know that right now everything's going on, and I want to help you. That's why I'm here. I want to help you get your credit right. There's no better time than right now. With everybody that's off time and laid off and they don't know uncertainty and all this, take the time. It doesn't take that long. Lord, you could do this in a matter of a couple hours, or you could do it and it could take you a month. But it just depends on how much you're willing to put into it. Stop being lazy, guys. Stop saying, hey, I just want a Band-Aid. Look at it. I show you how to do it. But give us a call right now. I'm going to give you free access to a preview of what we're doing so you can see the inside of the platform. And then you can decide if it's for you or not. Okay, but we'll do the free access for you today by giving us a call. 904-420-7772. My name is Mike with the Credit Game. Thank you guys for watching. Until tomorrow, I'll give you next step 2 and 3. Take care.